In this video, you will learn how to fix Events tab missing from Facebook. Many people have noticed that their Events tab has disappeared. This can be frustrating, especially if you use it to keep track of upcoming events and gatherings. I will go through some simple steps to help you get it back. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on Apps to proceed. In this section, tap on the search button at the top right corner. Type in Facebook and hit search. From the search results, select the Facebook app to access its info page. On this page, locate and tap on Force Stop. This action closes any running processes related to Facebook. After that, scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, select Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that might be causing issues with the app's functionality. After clearing the cache, exit out of Settings and open up Facebook again. Check if this has resolved your issue with the missing Events tab. If you still can't see that Events tab, don't worry, there's another method. Open up the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and hit search. If there's an update available for your app, it will show up here. Go ahead and tap Update to ensure you're using the latest version of Facebook. Updates often come with bug fixes that could solve issues like a missing Events tab. If you are still not seeing that Events tab, no worries. You can also access events through a web browser. Open any browser of your choice and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account as usual. Once you're on your home page, look for 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, tap on those. And voila! You should now see the Events tab available here as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.